Are you on any type of heroin or opiates right now? Okay, are you on anything?
No.
Have you taken any alcohol or? Okay.
No.
Okay, I'm just gonna lock these so they don't get tighter on you, okay?
Can you open your mouth for me? Lift your tongue.
The night of January 7, 2023, Montville Township officers were dispatched to 620 Main Street in front of Santander Bank for a disabled car. As he approached, one officer noted a mangled front passenger tire, detected the odor of booze, and observed impairment signs. The motorist was later identified as Kelly Terranova.
All right, where'd you hit the tire?
Yeah.
Where'd you hit?
I was in Whippany.
All right, do you have your license, registration, insurance?
Mom.
Can you shut your phone off? You can hang up.
My mom?
Yeah, you don't need her on the phone.
No, I'll leave her on.
Okay. Where are you from?
Whippany?
Whippany? Okay.
It's been a rough,
Ma'am, are you on any medications or anything, or have you taken any medications or anything today, or are you diabetic or anything like that? What's that? No? Okay. Have you had any alcohol or anything? No?
I think you must understand.
Okay.
People that are...
Alright, let me see your license.
Yeah, no problem. I'm under cares.
Okay.
You guys have no idea.
Let me see your license. And then step out of your car, right?
Serious?
Yeah, come on.
411, okay, 97.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you gotta step out, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you got shoes?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hey, you can start a tow truck, too.
Are you serious?
We're gonna have to tow your car. I mean, you're on the side of the road
You
with a
said a
flat
tow
tire.
truck?
Yeah, you could start one.
Okay. Flatbed, right?
Hey, firm.
You guys have no idea.
Okay.
What happened?
She got a flat tire. She seems
and I'm
pretty
also
impaired.
part of cares.
Okay.
Prevention is key.
Okay.
But you guys have no idea what you have.
What does that mean?
Watch out, watch out.
Okay.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right, we're gonna walk over into this parking lot over here, right?
Go ahead.
It's a little bit more flat. Come on. Do you know where you hit the curb, or you got some more damage on your light over here?
That was previous.
Okay. All right, let's come over into this parking lot over here, all right?
So,
We're just gonna take you through some tests because you're clearly impaired from something.
impaired.
It's
I don't think you guys understand what.
what are you trying to explain with the cares?
Cares?
Yeah. What?
Who?
What type of addiction? What's
heroin,
okay?
opiates.
Are you on any type of heroin or
No,
opiates right now? You're okay. Are you on anything? Have you taken any alcohol
No.
or? Okay.
No.
Okay. Well, we gotta have to take you through a couple tests. You
Fine.
hit a curb. You seem impaired to me.
That's.
All right, let's come over here.
You guys have a lot to learn. You have a sibling or a parent?
Do I have a? What's that? Oh, all right. Watch out, man.
A sibling or a parent or anything.
I do.
Okay, so you should be a little bit more
A little bit more what?
sympathetic.
Okay. I'm trying to be sympathetic, but I mean, unfortunately, when You hit a curb and you're on the side of the road? And
Yeah, I stopped on the side of the road to call my mom to
Okay.
pick me up. And you stopped beside me to pick me up.
Well, we stopped over because actually someone called, and they were concerned that you were parked with a tire blown out.
On the side of the fucking road.
Okay. Well,
Okay, so
we're just going to take you through a few tests, and if you pass, then you'll be on your way.
We'll just go right over here where it's
Go
more
ahead.
flat.
Listen, I'm on your side.
Yeah? Okay.
Jaco Towing's been dispatched.
I am.
10-4, can you attach a license to the call?
I told the chief, walk away.
Okay.
Go with it.
We're going to be doing field sobriety tests.
You ready to do that?
We have to.
What do you see?
Do you want to do it, or do you want me to do it?
I haven't been.
You don't have it? Alright, I'll do it.
Really?
Yep. Ma'am, it's just a standard procedure. You're slurring your words.
One.
What's that?
I don't need a third one.
You had two previous.
Registry owner, right?
Yeah.
Take it there, right?
You own that car? Are you the owner of that car? A-firm. What's that? When was your last one?
It's like,
You okay?
so fine. It's just with this.
Listen, I mean,
No, this.
whether we understand it or not,
Whoa,
it doesn't.
yes.
It's just, it's the circumstances. Like, we don't have a choice.
No, okay. So,
Let's just get the test done, and then we'll figure it out from there.
April 2022.
That's your last
That's
one?
fine.
Okay. So about a
My
little
one, yeah.
less than a year ago. Okay. You okay? You got your balance?
No, I'm fine.
All right. Do you have any medical conditions that would affect your eyes in any way? Do you wear glasses or contacts? No. All right. So I brought you to a level spot. All right. There's clear of debris. We have no. Can you turn on the car light, the camera for that car?
Yeah, it's on. I don't have the right.
There's no lights in the area obstructing your view. Ma'am, I'm just taking you through the process. All right, so I'm going to check your eyes. Please remove your glasses if you have any. You don't wear contacts, right? All right, you're going to keep your head still and follow the stimulus, which is my finger, with your eyes only, okay? You're not going to move your head. Your eyes only. Do not move your head. Do you understand the instructions? Okay. Follow my finger with your eyes only. Keep your head still. Keep your head still. Keep your head still. You okay? Can you follow my... Ma'am, can you follow my finger?
Yeah, this is.
Alright, I'm going to do this one again. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to go vertical, alright?
Sorry.
It's alright. You can gather yourself if you need a minute. Alright.
I have anxiety. Sorry.
That's fine.
I'm sorry.
Just take your time.
Alright. Sorry.
Alright. Follow my finger. We're going to go up now. Keep your head still. Alright. Alright, so you've completed the horizontal gaze. Now we're going to carry on to the walk and turn and the one leg stand. Is there any reason you can't do the walk and turn or one leg stand? Do you have any hip replacements, any type of balance issues, any type... For the most part.
For the most part, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So I'm going to explain the entire test to you. All right.
I'm sorry.
I'm going to show you how it's done.
Sorry.
You're okay. I'm going to show you how the whole. You're okay. If you need a minute, you can take a minute. All right. All right. Are you ready for the walk and turn?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to explain the test to you. I'm going to read all the steps. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you the steps. I'm going to read them to you, and then you're going to do it. All right. So first, I'm going to go through the whole thing. You're not going to do anything until I tell you.
Yes.
You're going to put your foot on an imaginary line. We're going to use this. All right. You're going to put your right foot in front of it with your right heel touching your left toe. You're going to keep your hands down at your side. All right. Not right now. You're not going to start until I tell you to. Do you understand the directions?
Yeah.
When I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps on the line, okay? You're going to turn around keeping 1 foot on the line and return 9 heel-to-toe steps back. All right, I'm going to show you how that's done. Ma'am, watch.
So you're saying don't do it.
Ma'am, don't do anything yet. So you're going to put your left foot on the line. You're going to put your right foot in front of your... Not yet. Wait until I show you.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ma'am, step back. I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to ask you... Oh! That's all right. I'm going to show you how... What's that?
I don't want you to fall.
Was the camera facing everything?
Yeah, you're at a feet out probably.
Yeah. Ma'am, back over here. Ma'am, stand right here.
Okay.
All right. You're going to put your left foot on the line. Right foot in front of it with the heel touching. All right? You're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps. 1. All right. Ma'am, back up. Don't do it yet. Just stand still. All right? Left foot on the line. Right foot in front of it. 1, 2, 3. Heel to toe. And so on until you do 9. I'm only going to do 3. Then you're going to turn around taking a small series of steps. And you're going to return 9 heel-to-toe steps. 1, 2, 3 to 9 until I tell you, and then you'll complete the test, all right?
So 9.
9 small series of steps turning around, so like this. 1, 2, 3 to 9. Keep your left foot down, turn around. 1, 2, 3 to 9. Do you understand? On the 9th step, you're going to keep your foot on the ground and take small...
a thing that you have off your... That's your read off of?
Yeah, this is the official state guideline.
Yeah.
This is the official state guideline. While walking, watch your feet at all times, keep your arms at your side, count your steps out loud, and once you begin, do not stop until the test is completed. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Do you need me to explain it again?
I do not.
All right, you may begin. Get in the starting position.
It's funny I had to read off of a slip, though.
I'm making it official, so everything's done properly. So you want to put yourself in the starting position?
Do I have to read off a slip when you're an addict in recovery?
Ma'am, do you want to continue the test, or do you...
I'm just saying, you guys have no fucking idea.
All right, can you put your left foot on the line? Can you put your right foot in front of it?
Do you understand?
I'm sure you could for a while, man. We just have to get to the police test.
But you don't have to fucking make me feel like I'm a fucking piece of shit.
No, absolutely not, man.
Okay.
Do you remember the starting...
Remember that.
Do you want me to explain it again?
Nope.
Okay.
How many?
9 steps. Count out loud.
Wait, how many?
9.
3.
Okay, now come back. 9 back.
This is ridiculous. Like, you guys are absolutely fucking ridiculous. You have no idea.
That's
No
fine.
idea.
Can you do your 9 steps coming back? All right, you've completed the walk and turn test. Can you stand right here and face me? All right, now we're gonna do the 1 leg stand, all right? You're gonna stand with your heels together and your arms down at your side. Do you understand? Do not begin the test until I tell you to. Do you understand?
How probably like 12.
It's insignificant.
Yeah.
When I tell you to, I want you to raise one leg, either leg, approximately 6 inches off the ground with your foot parallel to the ground. Keep both legs straight and keep your eyes on the elevated foot. While holding the position, count out loud 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop. Like this. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop. Do you understand?
How long?
Until I tell you to stop.
Till you tell me so.
Yes. Do you understand the instructions?
Sure.
Do you want me to explain them again?
Nope.
All right, you may begin.
Wait, till you
What's that?
when you tell me to start.
You may begin. Make sure you count out loud 1001.
I have to count?
Yes. All right. Ma'am, you have to finish the test. Sir, can you step? I don't know. Can you face me and continue the test? Ma'am, can you finish the test? Do you need me to re-explain it? Okay.
Yeah.
Can you complete the last part of the test, please?
You have no idea. Okay. Let me just...
Okay. If you need a minute, you can take a minute. I'll re-explain it if you need me to.
I don't need you to fucking reason anything.
Okay.
You have no idea.
That's fine.
You guys have no fucking idea. I hope you one day run into jail.
You ready?
If you have a fucking brother or sister that I have to deal with this, you will...
Ma'am, we're just trying to get you through this test.
Fuck you.
Okay.
Fuck you, man. You will never... I don't care if I go to jail forever.
Okay.
You will never have any idea. Yeah.
Go ahead. Do you not want to finish the test? Is it okay? If you need a minute, we can take a minute and then.
Just a minute.
Okay.
Just a minute.
We'll take a minute and then we'll finish the test. But I'm sure you're getting cold out here.
No, it's been a lot. I have a mother and sister and father. It's been a lot. I don't.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do the last part. Do you need me to read it again?
Listen.
Hands at the side.
I don't need this. I don't need this. Yeah.
All right. When you're ready, lift 1 foot and count 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000 until I tell you to stop. You got to count.
I have to go?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I... Is Trevor here?
What's that?
Trevor here? No.
I don't know what you asked.
There's a guy here before.
All right. You've completed the test. Can you step over to the car?
Okay, so now you're lying.
You lifted your foot, you began it, and then you stopped. If you want to do the test, you can do it.
No, I can
But
try it.
otherwise,
No, I just saw
Okay.
that my brother...
so let's complete the test.
Yeah, let's complete it.
Hands at your side. Lift 1 foot, either foot, 6 inches off the ground, parallel to the ground. Stare at it and count 1,000.
My foot.
Yes. Go ahead. You can go. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, so on until I tell you to stop.
Having silence. So just let me.
Okay.
Yes. No.
No, you have to count. You have
I
to.
have to count.
Yes, you have to lift your foot and count until I tell you to stop. All right, ma'am, come on, step over to the car. Here, step right here, face the car.
Just try not to get your sweater caught. Okay, your other hand, ma'am, please. Ma'am, could you lift your other arm? Thank you.
Just
Okay.
levels.
Okay, I'm just gonna lock these so they don't get tighter on you, okay?
You guys have balls.
Okay, one moment, ma'am. Okay, we're gonna walk to the other side of the car, ma'am.
Your balls. I hope you feel good by yourself.
Okay. Real quick. Jared, do you mind just checking the back of the car with me here?
Yeah. Montville, of course.
Okay.
Yeah, fuck you.
Back seat is clear. Just careful, ma'am.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna buckle the seatbelt for you, okay?
Yeah, thanks so much.
Alrighty. Okay, Colin. Alright. Let me see. Ma'am, do you have your keys on you? Okay. Can you reach them so the tow truck driver can... Okay. Can we have them so the tow truck driver can load it? Okay.
All of you. Matt, what do you think? Mallory? Of course you are. I'm Bella. You have no alternative.
Alright.
So, why don't you take your purse and then the keys are in there?
The keys are in your purse?
Yeah.
Okay, and we'll bring... You want us to bring that for you?
Go ahead.
Okay.
That's in Montville.
Okay. Dan, they're in the purse. Is your license and everything in the purse, or did you give that to the officer?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Thank you so much for understanding.
No problem.
Yeah.
We're not trying to make this harder for you, man. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Jared to wait with the car, and you want to follow me in?
Yeah, sure. Let's wait. We gotta get him the keys.
They're in this purse.
All right, the keys are in this purse. I didn't want to go through your stuff without you here, so.
Okay. We have your phone, and your wallet, and your purse here.
Right. Is this your keys? Go ahead. All right. Is there anything?
I have a Lincoln Park unit that's going to come meet you where you guys are at right now.
Okay.
And then that Lincoln Park
All right,
unit
we'll get that done soon, ma'am, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Hold on.
There.
Hold on. 1 second.
Meanwhile, who's going to stay with the car?
I was so good.
Ma'am, I'm gonna adjust the handcuffs, okay?
I just want to go with my blood.
Ma'am, is there any type of key on here that you need for your house? Do you want us to just give him? He needs to take one of your keys. Do you want us to just give him the Volkswagen key? That's what we'll do.
Alright. Man, we're gonna give him just the Volkswagen key, so if you need for your house or anything.
You'll be going with Lincoln Park. They're gonna follow you.
Oh, we're gonna go to Lincoln Park?
Yeah. And then Jared will stay with the car.
Alright.
And then I'll go talk to Jared.
So do I do the DUI packet there, or just they're just gonna blow there?
Or they might have one there.
Okay.
Please. Guys. Look at this. Look at this. DUI get no time. I don't want no time.
Okay, ma'am.
Please.
And we can't undo what happened, but going forward, you know, you've been trying to do better. Okay?
Please.
Okay. Now I'm gonna put this on the floor in front. We'll have it for you, okay? Okay. So you're gonna follow me and we're gonna meet them there?
Lincoln Park will follow you.
Oh, they're gonna meet me here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We're going to I'm gonna go. No, you're gonna go with Lincoln Park over to their headquarters.
Mm-hmm.
I'm good. Yeah, you're good. Right?
All right.
Do you need any paperwork?
I don't know.
I don't think so.
It's been a while, but I just do the packet as...
Yeah, so I'll see if I need to bring you one of ours, or
All right.
if they have one. I'm not. But I'll go talk to Jay and we'll see what else.
All right.
All right.
Yep.
Very good.
Haven't had one not at our headquarters, so it's a little weird.
Yeah.
So, all right.
All right.
Very good. Thank you.
Yep.
Where do you see the 2137?
What's up?
Oh, man.
Not much.
I think she's open on the other side.
Oh, okay, we're going this way. I haven't been down here for you guys. Oh, all right, great, thanks. Hey, how's it going?
How are you?
Good, thanks. Let me check myself here. Crash. I'm called in. Yep. All right. Okay, ma'am. Okay, you want to step on out? Okay, I don't want you to fall.
Yeah, I'm not gonna fall.
Okay, I don't want you to.
Shit.
All right, we're gonna come on inside.
You're an asshole.
Okay. You want to walk? Okay. No, not yet.
Go ahead.
Alright, we're gonna go over to this wall.
Search me all.
Over here.
Search me push down. Yeah, push down.
I'm gonna twist you towards the wall, alright?
Yeah.
When I undo your cuffs, just put your hands up against the wall, alright?
Go ahead.
Do you have anything on you that could stick
Nope.
me, poke me, hurt
Nope.
me anyway?
Nope.
Alright.
Go ahead. Go ahead. How are you guys doing about this? You're supposed to be police officers. Oh, you're not.
Alright, you can take a seat on the bench.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Right over here.
Oh.
Want to slide these up or take them off so they don't hit your wrist?
Okay. Fuck.
Scoots open your mouth for me. Lift your tongue. Alright.
You guys are pathetic. You realize I'm part of Frenchie's key? What are you guys doing?
Do you pack it or anything?
I don't have one on me now. We came right from the scene.
Nothing.
So I got to give
Nothing.
my sergeant a real quick call. I don't know if he's going to tell me that they're going to drop off one of our packets or if I'm going to do one of these ones.
Okay.
So real quick, if I could step out.
Search my car. See
Oh,
what you find.
could you buzz me real quick? You just asked that I do it out of the.
See what you find.
All right, great, thanks. All right, be meeting to speak with the sergeant. Lincoln Parks with. Okay. Okay. You need her DL or anything right now for the box? Or we just
I gotta
ask
wait
her?
20 minutes.
Okay. We're bringing down one of our packets, and then I'll fill that out. We'll get this done, and then one of the guys will follow me back up from our department to finish up in Montville.
You want to just read her the standard statement and see if she'll do samples, but we don't have any back here, so you can print one off from scan forms. Clonic just took our last one.
Okay. Do we have to offload?
We still have probably 10 minutes for the box.
Okay.
Before we run it, yeah.
All right. Yeah, it's been.
The standard statement. Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah. You want to make a couple copies? Since you want
It's been a while for me, so
Yeah.
You do this? Or
I don't have the box, and haven't had a DUI in a while. But yeah, he'll be down with the packet, and then we'll go from there.
Feel good about that?
Hmm?
I feel good. I hope you do. Because that's not preventing. And actually for our prevention is key. But you aren't.
Okay.
You feel good about yourself. You do? Good for you. It's been through it. You're fucked up, man. I don't know what else to say. Montville Police. You're tough. Try to go to fucking Newark or Route 10. They never see your top.
do you have your case number, e-ticket number?
Don't have any ticket numbers yet.
Just fucking get out of here.
Do you need the ticket for the box, or?
I can either type in e-ticket or do the ticket numbers. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, it won't be on e-ticket. So you just need the one that'll be for the DUI? Okay, it'll be the first one that's in my book, so
And
I'll
then
just
for,
get,
case number.
okay. I'll grab,
You what?
alright, case number is gonna be. Case number will be there. Alright, the 450 ticket will be... it's so temperamental that I don't even give it a shot. The traffic cars are set up pretty good, but I always have problems with the printer or something. So I just write them like this. But yeah, I'll make that one the 450 ticket.
Do you want to read this to her? Or?
You should be down with our packet in just a second. Or?
Standard statement should be the same.
Okay.
That way, you know if she's giving breath or not.
Okay.
Once 20 minutes is up, we can at least roll that.
Okay. Does it make a difference if I do it or the ALCO operator does it?
No, I usually just do whoever arrests.
Okay. All right. And then, is this guy?
That's just our packet.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Ours is like this.
Well,
Yeah, big, I guess. Yeah. So, okay. Is your license in your purse here? Your license, is it in your purse here? Okay. Can I grab it out? Okay. Do you know where your license is in here?
Where it is?
Yeah.
It's in my wallet.
Yep. Nah, you just tell me where it's at.
You can give me it.
All right.
How's
Well,
that?
I just need your name anyway.
Okay, let's go there.
is it okay if I look for your license? Because I actually do need that for the box. Is that okay? Yes.
Okay. I think that's our other guy calling me
No,
that the
I
packet's here.
trust her over you.
That's okay.
You want to tell me where I could find it in your middle thing? Or?
It's right by the gold card that I have.
Yeah.
Yeah, the gold
All right, thanks.
card.
Should it have been in front of it?
Yes.
No.
It's on the top. In my license, right in front of the gold card. Right in front of it.
Physical card. I'm assuming that's a spelling, but I don't have.
I know where hers.
I'm gonna go print and see this out.
Okay.
So I do need her deal number.
Hey, Dan. Oh, perfect. That would answer that.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah.
What's that? Yeah.
Of course it is.
I was trying to not lose it.
Yeah.
Should be good. Okay, yeah, it's the same sheet, so I'll just do it in our packet here.
Yeah, they wanted that ours.
Can you have it? I'm gonna
Yep.
put it
Or
on
how do you put it where I can see it?
So your phone can't be in the room. So I'm
Or
leaving
how
it.
about you guys know
Okay, so
put it where?
It's
name
security.
case,
No, you didn't
case
grab
time
it.
here.
Besides the
I read this all out, right?
Um,
Or is this just part of the affidavit?
yeah, I
My
think you needed it.
fucking
Yeah.
shit.
Okay, so I start from here down. Oh, I just read that paragraph.
Can you hear me, Mom? Please.
The right to remain silent, obviously.
When you get back, she's gonna have to pick you up anyway.
Defendant copy. I read all this.
Yep.
Here, this is all for the box, so that's with the box operator, right? And then this is still box operator.
Yep.
We get down to there. And then re-advise of Miranda warnings.
Yeah. Do you need that information from the first page from Jay?
I'll need the time of call.
Okay.
So we also my CAD is open in there. We could even grab that. And I circle all these things. So from, still seated in the car when you got?
Yeah.
Okay. So, and then we had, obviously, our different indicators.
Yep. This is while in headquarters, though.
Okay, so we'll do that back at our headquarters when we do
We're
the
here
arrest
too.
report?
It's here too, like during
Okay.
this whole process.
Yeah, okay. Oh, yeah, the whole time.
I can give you hard paper towels.
And then this, the John's Law for later.
Yep.
Second notification of rights.
Yep.
And then all the drinks and stuff, which we'll probably end up doing that part back by the time we get to our headquarters, I would think.
Yeah. Yeah. We
So
got
we'll get the box out of here so we can
Yeah,
get.
just get the box
that
done,
up.
then I'll follow you. I'll come back and follow you to headquarters.
Okay. All right. Get started here. All right. Thanks, sir.
If you need anything else, let me know.
All right. 11 at headquarters. Can I have time to call?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You okay? You what? You fine?
11 headquarters. Might not have radio down here.
No, good.
Last unit calling headquarters.
11. Could I just have the time of call?
I'll be clear from Lincoln Park.
10-4-8.
What does that mean?
Which one?
Long one.
Arrow into the. Oh, I think we'll talk. Arrow into the. Like. Lotus. To the. Lotus means like to the dirt and the better sun.
Hey, sorry. I think the radios aren't reaching. Could I just have the time of call?
So we're going forward. Yeah. I'm trying to go forward.
Yep.
That's what we put.
Okay. I got it. It's, all right.
What's the anchor for?
These are my sisters.
Okay.
Matching? Got matching.
So,
License, too.
do you want me to try and reach you on the radio for the start?
Having this.
Okay.
Are we in the same spot? Yes. That's cool.
Okay.
Davey's always. I'm 1 of 5, and I can guarantee you.
See, not the favorite.
Not the favorite?
Okay.
The audible.
Same. Sir.
Okay.
Someone's got to be it, right? It's me too. Makes you feel any better.
All right, Kelly, we're going to do some paperwork and in the next portion of the test, okay? So I'm going to read you some stuff. I'm going to ask you some questions, and okay? All right, so I'm Patrolman Thomas French of the Montville Township Police Department. At approximately 20:57 hours or 8:57 p.m. on 1/7/2023, I arrested you for operating a motor vehicle while under the influence of intoxicating liquor or drugs. I'm going to read you your notification of rights. You have the right to remain silent. You have the right to have legal counsel before you say or do anything. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed on your behalf. Anything you say or do can be held against you. If you choose to answer any questions, you can stop answering at any time. Your right to remain silent and right to counsel an attorney do not apply to the taking of breath tests and do not give you the right to refuse to take the breath tests? Do you understand these rights which I have just read to you? Yes? I'm not trying to be a wise guy. Could you just verbally say yes or no?
You are wise.
I'm really not trying to be. Okay.
You are.
Okay. Okay, time.
You've never had anybody in this situation, have you?
I have not been in this situation.
There you go. You shouldn't be in your fucking position.
Okay. Board, can you just sign right here that you understand your rights? Just gonna put it right there. Right where it says defendant signature here.
It's okay. My,
You need to rest it. That's okay. Okay. Thank you.
yeah. My dad's an attorney, my sister's attorney.
Okay.
I thought what that is.
Okay. It's just saying that you understand your rights.
So, be police officer and city people. Wait.
Please watch the defendant.
Okay. Kelly, I'm going to read you another list of things, okay? This is the New Jersey Attorney General's standard statement for motor vehicle operators. You have been arrested for driving while intoxicated, NJSA 39-4-50. 2. The law requires you to submit samples of your breath for the purpose of testing to determine alcohol content. 3. A record of the taking of the breath samples, including the test results, will be made. Upon your request, a copy of that record will be made available to you. 4. After you have provided samples of your breath for testing, you have the right at your expense to have a person or physician of your own selection take independent samples of your breath, blood, or urine for independent testing. If you refuse to provide samples of your breath, you will be issued a separate summons for the refusal. A court may find you guilty of both refusal and driving while intoxicated. If a court finds you guilty of the refusal, you will be subject to various penalties, including license revocation of up to 20 years, a fine of up to $2,000, installation of an ignition interlock, and referral to an intoxicated driver resource center. These penalties may be in addition to penalties imposed by the court for any other offense of which you are found guilty. You have no legal right to an attorney, physician, or anyone else present for the purpose of taking breath samples. You have no legal right to refuse to give or to delay giving samples of your breath. Any response from you that is ambiguous or conditional in any respect to my request that you provide breath samples will be treated as a refusal to submit to breath testing. Even if you agree to take the test, but then do not follow my instructions, do not properly perform the test, or do not provide sufficient breath samples, I will charge you with refusal to submit to breath testing. I repeat, the law requires you to submit samples of your breath testing. Will you submit samples of your breath? We can do that soon.
No.
Okay, not right now. Right now,
Okay, well then I will. Go ahead, survival.
first we have to move on to the breath sample test.
Yeah, really? Because you fucking fucked me for no reason. So I want to touch my wall.
No, ma'am, I repeat, the law requires you to submit samples of your breath for testing.
Fucking do and do what you do.
Will you submit to breath testing?
Listen, from Whippany, you guys had nothing better fucking to do. I want to go to my mom. Please.
You need to answer. You're gonna supply.
Yeah.
I want to talk to my mom.
You can't talk. To
I want to talk to my
Yeah,
mom.
we can't talk to her right now, but we can in a little bit.
I don't give a fuck.
If we do the refusal, ma'am, then there's other things associated with it, other summonses.
Like what?
You'll get the refusal, at least right now.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. You guys will be fucked. Go ahead. Go ahead. I just want to talk to my mom.
You can talk to her in a little bit, but right now, it's do you want to do the breath sample test?
You want to show up?
I understand. And in a little bit you can.
Understand.
Well, I'm not in your position, so no, I don't right now.
No, you don't understand, because you're an ego. Let's be honest. Go. Were you bullied or something?
No, ma'am. I repeat, the law requires you to submit samples of your breath for testing. Will you submit to samples for your breath? You can talk to your mom later.
Let me talk to my mom. I want to talk to my mom. Let me talk to my mom.
Ma'am, we just have to get through this step.
And I want to talk to my mom.
Okay, and you can do that later
I want to
on.
talk to my fucking lawyer.
Yeah.
How about not you? Because you're out to fuck me.
No, we just want to get the samples of your breath, ma'am.
Who you are. Montville?
That's okay.
Montville? No. My sister's a lawyer. My dad's a lawyer. No.
Alright, Kelly. You either right now need to decide.
Okay,
if
so
you're gonna
either
submit-
you guys decide.
It's your choice. You can either submit to breath samples, which you're required to by law. That's just the process of how this works. You can either do it or not. It's your choice, but you need to decide right now.
Can I go to the bathroom first?
It's you either give the samples and then you go to the bathroom. We can't because then I need to restart 20 minutes of watching you again. So it's already been more than 20 minutes. So it's either you either provide breath samples. Once we're done with
What
this.
is the breath? What does that have to do with?
It's the breathalyzer, ma'am.
No, see, so in order for me to take your breath sample, I need to watch you for 20
You
minutes.
forced me.
That's
Me
no,
too.
then it's a violation of searches and all that stuff. So you either provide the breath samples. He's already asked you more times than he was supposed to.
Really?
Are you going to provide the breath samples? It's supposed to be 2 questions. 1, 2.
You guys. Go ahead. Do whatever the fuck you have.
Okay, we're trying to help you out, and you don't see it like that. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I don't want to give you more tickets than I have to.
More tickets?
Yeah. There's the refusal's an extra ticket. No, I understand that. So are you willing to do the breath samples then, ma'am? Can we do that?
I've been trying so hard to change my life.
I understand.
No, you don't understand.
Okay. So, Kelly, will you be willing to do the breath samples?
Go ahead. So now I'm not going to be able to become. Fucking go ahead.
Okay.
Don't go fucking.
All right. So, yes, you'll submit the breath samples?
Fuck you.
Can you take a residential fire alarm, 2 Green Meadows Road?
I'm not going to be able to.
There's still time for that, ma'am.
Really?
Yeah, why not?
35.
Yeah.
Yeah. Really?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
You're gonna. Okay. We feel good about that. Me too. Hey, what's your badge? Really? Wait, yeah.
Alright, Kelly, we need a concrete yes or no here.
Go ahead.
Could you
No,
just
go
say it
ahead,
as yes
yes.
or no?
Go ahead.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. What's your name?
French.
First name?
Thomas.
Just one idea is she needs to take phone, radio, body cam.
Yep.
Really what?
Ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna enter all this stuff.
Gotcha. Car 11 with ending mileage. 28301.
10-4. I opened the sally port, but I can't see it on the camera. Is it all the way open?
Affirm, and you can now close it.
10-4, just let me know when it completely shuts.
It's shut.
10-4, thank you. 10-4-18.
Okay, Kelly, we're going to step out, finish everything up, and we'll get you home, okay? Okay, watch your step coming out. Okay, we're going to go over to this door here. There's a big step here, so I just want to let you know, okay?
Yes.
All right. Okay, go up that big step. And then we just have to sit back down on this bench, but I'll take the handcuffs off.
Awesome.
Yep. Okay. Do you need a tissue when we sit down?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Just want to call somebody for you.
Yep, we're gonna get on that for you. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, could I just have one of your hands,
Are you
please?
serious?
Yep, we just still have to do it, I'm sorry.
Yeah. Because
Yep.
I'm not going anywhere.
I don't think you are.
Put you in the system, take a picture of you, and then once your sister signs that form, we'll be
My sister?
I'm not sure yet. What's your phone number? You want to start with that?
Yeah, I just have to get the 451 out right now, right?
All right, we got to take your picture now.
You don't have it by now?
What's that? No, we don't.
You don't have it by now?
We have to take it. Well, you've been arrested in Montville before?
No, but you're.
It's within our this picture's for within our own department. Let me see your right arm. The next Tuesday. Oh, actually, I'm not sure. Maybe call up to Jay. What? All right, you can stand right in front of that gray wall. All right, look straight up at the camera. In the center of the gray. Move over to your right. All right. All right, look straight up. All right, now turn to your right. All right, turn to your left. All right, come sit down. We're just doing what we're supposed to.
Yeah, imagine if I murdered somebody. Imagine that. What would you guys do? You know what to do.
I'm going to double check the door to make sure that we're still good, so I'm just going to check the locker room door. I'm just going to check the locker room door. Oh. All right, should also be on here. That doesn't say no court, and neither does that, which means the next Tuesday will be good. Okay, yeah, next court date will be good, so that'll be, it'll be.
You're gonna have documentation. Your court date's January 10th, this Tuesday. Your first appearance.
Awesome.
Okay, 1:30.
Thanks.
What's that? I can't hear you.
There's two, and they're what I have to write for operating under the influence and for careless driving. Just those two.
Thank you. My sister's here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Christine?
I don't know her name.
She's from, yeah, probably Christine.
Okay.
They just didn't need this to happen.
I believe you. I know you're trying to get everything on track. I do. And tomorrow's a new day. You know? It's the hardest thing. Yeah. Yeah.
Sit on final point. Airport.
Okay, so here.
Alright, this is all done. Do you want to look over this or you want me to submit it?
Take a.
Hello. Good. We're just finished the arrest report. Tom's finishing the packet, and then we'll have her write up. Yeah, we got it. It's done. Yeah, we're just making sure everything's done. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Right now, or once we get off the phone? Kelly.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Because the statute says.
After.
Because it's usually supposed to be 2 years. Okay. It's usually supposed to be 2 years. That's why we're curious.
No. Obviously, it was.
All right. Yeah, it does say it on here, but.
So, yeah.
You didn't get this updated?
No, because they won't let me get equipment.
Okay. All right.
My mom kept retrying.
Okay. Yeah, it's been the DMV's been a pain for forever and more so now.
Yeah, it's like I have to go to Patterson to go to.
No, I definitely believe you on the DMV being a pain in the butt.
I got a letter in the
So.
mail saying I was suspended. I was like, for what?
Right.
I was like,
All right.
everything's paid.
So I did the list here.
Like there should
Right.
be any,
Yeah, you.
yeah. There shouldn't be any I paid my.
And then,
Fill this
yeah, before that, so we just have to go, the breath test, we have to review them with her, I guess, right here.
Okay.
Read them to her and mark the time,
Okay.
Yeah.
so.
Right, like, it's hard though, it's not
Yep.
as easy as people.
All right, we're gonna give you a copy of the breath test that we took over at Lincoln Park. I'm just gonna go over them with you. So you blew a .24. Okay, so the legal limit's .08. We're gonna give you the copies of this, okay? So that's why we do, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna ask you that again. I'm just gonna read you your rights again. And you're still gonna be going home and everything. We're just finishing the paperwork, okay? Of it too.
It's 1-8 now. It's 12:07.
Okay.
I know that.
I get confused with military time and not military time.
Military time says. My sister's here. She finds worse than my mom.
Okay, so we're going to provide you your copies with that. Complete that in a moment. All All right, Kelly, I'm just going to read you your rights again because I just have to ask you another set of questions. Nothing changes. We're still going to have you go home soon, okay? All right, so this is the second notification of your Miranda rights, okay? So you have the right to remain silent. You have the right to have legal counsel before you say or do anything. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed on your behalf. Anything you say or do can be held against you. If you choose to answer any questions, you can stop answering at any time, okay? God bless you. Do you understand these rights which I have just read to you? Yes? I'm sorry, I just need verbal, not to be rude. Yes? Okay. Okay, and I'm just going to...
1209, 1-8.
God bless you. You're welcome.
Car 18.
Okay. Kelly, I'm just going to ask you to sign this again. Thanks, Kelly. No problem. I got it, yep. Okay, thanks. God bless you. Dan, do we need to make copies of the other ones that weren't with intolerance?
The what?
The one that wasn't with intolerance also?
Where's that?
We had one belch, one that wasn't intolerance. Yeah, all of them. God bless you. You want a tissue? No, no problem. God bless you. It's a little stuffy down here, so that yeah.
I thought, I was like, what is happening?
Yep. Gets stale and all that. Can you just sign this as a witness stand?
She's still here.
I think so.
Are you sure?
I'm not sure. I haven't seen her, but I would think that she stayed.
Wait,
Yeah. There's no reason for her to not still be here?
what do you mean? How am I supposed to know she's here?
No, she should
Yeah.
still be here. There's no reason she wouldn't.
Can you look?
Well, we're going to go up there in like just 5 minutes, not even.
Yep. So,
You don't have to wait.
well, hopefully not. Kelly, I'm just going to do this last set of questions.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, no problem. So the following questions were asked on 1/8/23 at 12:11 a.m. Okay. So Kelly, are you currently employed? You don't have to apologize, Kelly. I know you're going through a very rough time. So, but you know, you've been trying to. Yeah. Yep. And you've brought yourself from a really bad spot and gotten a lot better. And
I have to put my name right here?
No, that's if you refuse.
Oh, yeah, no.
All right, very good. We'll go get her.
Is she coming right now?
Yeah, she's all ready.
Okay.
Yep, we just got to make copies and get her up here. Oh, can I get your license too? Tom, you can bring her up. Thank you.
All right, we're all set, Kelly. All righty. So I'm gonna give you your purse. You just have to make sure you have those copies of that paperwork. So I'm gonna uncuff you now. We'll go on upstairs, okay? All right. And then tomorrow's a new day, all right?
Yeah.
So I know it's not easy, but it is a new day, so. You keep fighting like you've been, and, you know, it's all you can do, you know? Okay. All right, we'll head on out this door right here.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Sorry.
No, it's okay, Kelly.
I was like,
It's a little hard to push.
what?
Yeah, it's a heavy one. So we're gonna go right to the right up the stairs, okay? And then,
That's not my sister.
okay. Yep, right up the stairs here. What's that? She's not gonna be like right there. So, I'm just gonna give you. Okay. Oh, keep
Not
on
really.
coming up. No, I'm sure it'll be.
Oh, there
all
we
right.
go.
You have those
Look at
copies
it.
for her?
Those are ours.
These are ours. You have hers? Okay.
Is there a person?
This is your purse, Kelly. Okay.
No,
This.
she's gonna. It's fine. She's like a lawyer, so she's gonna fuck me up.
I
And
gotcha.
then get me a lawyer.
Your driver's license. These are the 2 tickets, okay? And then the court date.
Are you gonna fuck me?
No, there's just 2, okay?
Are you?
No, I know. It sounds, but really, two's not bad. So it's for the driving under the influence and careless driving, and the court date, like we were saying.
It's okay. So if I go to court,
Mhm.
look at me.
You do have to come to court. That'll be.
Well, of course.
Yeah, that'll be
No,
on
no,
Tuesday,
no.
at 1:30 in the afternoon this Tuesday. You just get in those copies and then we'll be all good. But do you want to put these in your purse now? Okay.
All right, do you have those ones, Tom? These are the originals?
The originals, yep. Okay, so these are all your copies of all the testing we did, okay?
Yeah.
So we can put those in your purse too?
Yeah.
Okay. And then this is just, this is your sister, she just signs.
My sister?
Yeah, because
Is that my sister?
it's
right
John's law. Yeah, so with John's
Oh.
law, she's in
Yeah.
charge basically for
there? Yeah,
making sure
she's
you
my
don't drive.
lawyer. Yeah.
So,
Yes. Yeah.
but, no, no problem. So I do wish you the best of luck. I'll give it to her when we come out.
Oh, you're. Oh, thank God.
Yep.
You're gonna come out.
So, yeah. Hey, we're all good, right? Okay. Okay. Yes. Hello. Thank you. I am Officer French. Just yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh,
Your
okay.
license and then your copy of the liability waiver.
This is only in effect for like,
12 hours.
okay,
Yep.
just to make sure.
Okay.
Not like indefinitely.
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
So, all right, Kelly. Good luck with everything. Keep on chugging along. All right. Okay. Call complete. Be deactivating.
This marks Kelly's 5th DUI case. On November 28, 2023, she pleaded guilty, resulting in 24 months on an ignition interlock device. 48 hours at an intoxicated driver resource center, and $1,390.00 in fines. Her careless driving citation was dismissed, but she still faces 180 days behind bars. Don't miss more jaw-dropping body cam footage. Subscribe now and hit the bell.
This